day everyone, we are here to represent you our second prototype, and the title is Teacher Hub Learning Management System. So first of all, kailangan natin mag-login dito. So you can input your email address and password. So kapag kinlik natin yung sign in, magpo-proceed tayo sa dashboard, and sa dashboard is makikita natin ang total student, active lesson, pending task, reports due, tsaka mga recent activities natin, and upcoming details like final exam schedule, student progress reports, and course syllabus updates. Makikita din natin dito sa ibaba sa quick action is add student, new lesson, create report, and schedule task. So the second one is the students. Sa student naman is makikita natin ang total student, active student, pending task, report due, and dito is makikita natin na may nag-a-appear na low attendance alert. It means kapag ano yan, kapag ang student is meron ng absent na 3 pataas. And sa baba naman is pwede natin siyang scroll, and pwede tayong mag-edit ng grade ng students. Kapag i-click natin yung edit is pwede natin siyang palitan, and i-click lang natin ang save. So kapag click natin yung save is mag-a-appear yung message box natin na may nakasulat na success feedback, student update successfully. So the next one naman is the lesson plans. Sa lesson plans naman is makikita natin ang total plans, publish, drafts, complete. And sa all naman is pwede natin siyang scroll, and makikita natin yung mga lesson plan na nagawa natin. And the second one naman is publish. Sa publish naman is makikita natin dito yung mga pinpublish natin na lesson plans, and pwede natin siyang i-edit, and pwede nating i-delete. And ang next one naman is drafts. Sa drafts naman, makikita natin dito yung mga ginawa natin na hindi pa natin nasasubmit or napapublish. And the next one naman is complete. Sa complete naman is ito yung pinasa natin na naka-final na yung lesson plans natin. So i-ano na lang natin sa mga student para ma-review nila.
So ang next naman po natin is yung reports. So naman po sa report, may makikita po tayong total reports, pending, submitted, and approved. Nandito naman po sa may baba, makikita po natin yung quick report generation. Dito po yung student grades ng all courses, attendance this month, progress ng all student, and summary this semester. And then sa may baba po, makikita naman po natin yung mga generated reports. Pwede po natin siyang ma-view and download yung reports. Kunyari po, itong monthly student progress report. And then, sa may baba naman po, makikita po natin yung available reports templates, yung student performance, class analytics, and monthly summary. Then, next naman po is yung schedule. So, dito po makikita po natin sa all yung mga upcoming tasks. And makikita po natin yung total tasks, pending, high priority, and completed. So, pag kinlik po natin itong submit final exam schedule, pupunta na po siya sa completed task. So, ayan po, kung makikita po natin sa may right side po. yung final exam po, napunta na po siya dun sa completed task. And next naman po is yung attendance. Makikita po natin dito yung overall attendance. Meron pong 95%. And yung present today. And yung this week, average attendance. Then sa may baba po makikita po natin yung attendance calendar ng week and month. Ayan po yung attendance record ng mga student po. Meron pong date, student name, status, time, timeout, and remark. And then export po.
I just had to let you know you're